So this is an installation called Pollution Pods. It contains 5 geodesic domes in which I've recreated the pollution from cities around the world. Human beings are very accomplished at being able to acclimatise to different conditions, whether that's noise pollution or air pollution. And in a way, what I'm trying to do here is shock the system. And so people might walk from Norway into London, and if they're used to the level of pollution in Manchester, they'll go, yeah, this is quite bad, it's like Oxford Road. But then they move into New Delhi and they go, wow, this is really awful. And in a way, what I'm saying is, if we don't address the way we live now, New Delhi's the way we're heading.
TFGM are currently working for all 10 local authorities on the preparation of a clean air plan for the city region. And what this is about here is an opportunity for us to try and demonstrate what the air pollution problem really is around the world. They get a sense of how that can have a real impact on our health and the way that we live in our cities.